This is question number 41. Okay, 41. In question number 41, you could see it says express 6 over the square root of 3 in the form a root b, where a and b are positive integers. This is a top-end topic. Sometimes it comes up as a single question. It might also say to rationalize. Okay, so the question might also say, it might also have the word rationalize in it. So I'll write this down. It might say rationalize six over root 3. Okay, so it might also say rationalize. The word you need to look out for is this rationalize. Now, if it says either that or is expressed in this way, you need to look at what's the square root that's in the denominator at the bottom of this fraction. You're going to times the top and the bottom by the square root of 3. Okay, so you need to show that. By simply showing that, you've got a mark. Okay, so if I remember, when you times in fractions, if you times the top by root 3, this is what it looks like, 6 times root 3, and then root 3 times root 3. Now when you times the square root of a number by itself, okay, so root 3 times root 3, the square roots cancel out. So if I multiply this out, 6 times root 3 is 6 root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is simply going to be 3. All right, that's particularly straightforward. You should know that. A lot of you do remember that. What I need to do now is to do the division of the numbers. Look at that. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So my final answer is going to be 2 root 3. Do take your time with this. Right? If you get one like this at the top end of the paper, do look through all the questions. If there is one of these at the top end of the paper, do it. Even if it's part of a question, you'll be picking up some marks and getting you closer to your grade. All right? Okay. Make sure you go through this a couple of times, understand it completely, and if you get it in the exam, make sure you get all the marks.